Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to sell your crypto on Binance using the mobile app. Whether you're new to crypto trading or just need a refresher, this video has you covered. So let's dive right in. First, open the Binance mobile application on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Wallet tab located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will show you an overview of all your crypto assets, whether they are in the Spot wallet, Funding wallet, or Earn wallet. Take a moment to review your crypto holdings and identify the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell. Next, return to the homepage. At the top of the screen, you'll find a search bar. Tap on it and type in the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. For example, if you're selling XRP, type XRP into the search bar. When the results appear, tap on the cryptocurrency. This will bring up a detailed chart for that specific crypto. Here's an important step. Make sure the trading pair is set to USDT. You can do this by tapping the drop-down arrow at the top of the screen and selecting USDT if it's not already selected. Once that's done, tap on the Sell button located in the bottom right corner. You'll now be redirected to the sell page. Here, you'll see the current market price of the cryptocurrency. To proceed, enter the amount of the currency you want to sell. You can manually input the number of coins you want to sell. If you prefer, you can use the slider at the bottom of the screen to sell a percentage of your holdings, such as 25%, 50%, or even all of your crypto. Take a moment to review your selection and ensure it matches your selling goal. Once you've set the amount, tap on the Sell button at the bottom of the screen that will be in the red color. When you click on it, your sell order will then be placed and you're done. Binance will process the transaction and the equivalent amount will be reflected in your USDT balance. And that's it. Selling your crypto on Binance is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.